Hi, I was playing around with some pendulums and I think they are cool. Let's have a look. Come on, Mr. Python. So this is one pendulum going around, and that's it. Now let's add another one. So it rotates different speed and is slightly shorter, and it's attached to the first one. Well, let's add a third one. So this is how they look, three of them all attached to the previous one. Now let's make the last one a draw. The path its tip is taking. So here's the path that the last pendulum is drawing. I think it's quite cool. And we can do different things like speed up, slow down, and then we'll be having a different patterns. Let's reverse the third pendulum by multiplying it by -1 the angle, and that will reverse it and it will spin the other way, and now the pattern is different. And we can do it with all pendulums, like whichever one we want, we can reverse it. Let's reverse the first one, for example. Where's the angle? And the pattern now is different. We can spend whole day here and just play around with this. Let's do the second one. And again, the pattern is very, very different. Let's adjust the speed. And again, the pattern is different. I encourage you to spend some time and just play around. The things that you're going to discover will be much more rewarding than just following a tutorial or listening to AI or even reading a book. However, books I do recommend. But branch off and use your knowledge and do cool stuff. Cheers.